Get out. We got to get out. All right, guys, I'm going to get out real quick because this is pretty full over here. All right, so Penny, I'll tag you in this. I know you're busy too with the boats and stuff. So look, here's Canal Bank.
I'm pretty good over here.
All right. So there it is. And they say the diversion's rising pretty fast.
Pretty bad weather coming this way.
And so let's look over here. You see this bad weather coming? Yeah. Let's go up here. Yeah, right here. We got some really bad weather coming. We're going to get out of here. But I just kind of wanted to show y'all. Everybody kind of wanted to look and see, hey, Sonny, what's happening out here? Well, we know the water always comes up on the canal bank. We know that. We know that. But this is just rising pretty fast. And we just now starting. We just now starting to get the weather. So, all right, guys. We'll come back live in a little bit. Bye, y'all.